it's got a little bit more wet.
But how are we gonna find carrot and buttons?
How are you gonna what?
How are we gonna find carrot and buttons?
Carrot?
Yeah, with a nose and a button for, or pretend he has a jacket.
We got it inside, but the snow is not wet. We can't make it. Don't put snow inside the boots.
Okay,
Inside your boots.
okay.
It's too fluffy, the snow.
Mommy, can you get a shovel for me?
No, you don't need a shovel.
Why?